too difficult for us to translate so many sentences and so many words in English, because English is a vast language and there are so many words, lots of words and sentences in English. So we need precise words and sentences that are in regular use. For that, I am sharing you an interesting technique that will help you to speak English and to learn possible conversational sentences in English. Hey everyone, how are you all? I think you are absolutely fine and you are in the journey of learning English language. Friends, today in this video I am going to share with you about an interesting technique that will help you to improve your English fluency. Friends, just tell me one thing, how you learn English from your childhood? The answer is, we learn English by translation method. When we start to speak English, there are so many words and sentences which make us difficult to speak English. So today in this video, I am going to share with you the step-by-step process of a translation method which can help you to improve your English fluency. So without further ado, let's start the video. Friends, it's too difficult for us to translate so many sentences and so many words in English, because English is a vast language and there are so many words, lots of words and sentences in English. So we need precise words and sentences that are in regular use. For that, I am sharing you an interesting technique that will help you to speak English and to learn possible conversational sentences in English. Without translating anything, we can't speak English, because English is not our native language. It is not our mother tongue. It is the second language for us. So I am sharing with you a method that will help you to find the possible conversational sentences that you are talking in your native language regularly. The first step of this technique is, you have to switch on your voice recorder. Then you have to record every conversation you made with your family, friends or relative throughout the day. After you have recorded the voice, then you have to listen the conversation clearly. After listening the conversation, then note down the conversation in your native language. After you note down your conversation in native language, then open your smartphone and click a photo of that note. After that, go to your smartphone and open your Google Lens. Go to Google Lens in your smartphone. In Google Lens, there is an option for translating. You can translate it from your native language to English. After that, read it properly and remember every sentences that you translate from your native language into English. Like this, you can speak English easily. You can get the possible sentences, the conversational sentences easily, so that you can speak English fluently. I applied this technique for 1 week and I found lots of useful sentences that I am regularly using in my mother tongue. That's how you can improve your English communication skills and you can practice your English by translating method. If you find this method helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you so much.